Hello everybody, this is Ada's Kitchen Tale. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your white buttercream. I'm using shortening here and I'm using my icing sugar and my vanilla flavor. You can use any kind of flavor you want. You can use strawberry, milk flavor. There are so many flavors out there, but I'm doing vanilla flavor. So I'll be using my bowl to mix. I'll pour in my shortening into my my bowl, and I'll be whipping this. So I'm trying to soften my shortening. I'll be whipping this up. So as you proceed, always try and scrape down your bowl. That's what I'm doing here. And I'll keep on whipping this for some time. I'll just try and whip this a bit, then I'll be adding my icing sugar gradually. All these are measured out. You'll find the measurements in my description box. I'll be using my sieve to So I'm trying to mix this in gradually. So as I'm mixing, I'll be adding more icing sugar to my bowl gradually till I'm done adding everything. This is 1 kg icing sugar. To avoid when you're mixing, to avoid your flour flying up and down, you can use your spatula just to gradually mix it in. Then after that, you continue using your hand mixer. This is just to help it so that your icing sugar doesn't fly around when you're mixing it. Okay, I'll gradually use my so I'll be adding my vanilla, and I'll add a bit of water to loosen our icing sugar. You could add milk, but me, I prefer to add water. Approximately I'm adding my remaining part of my measured water. If you find it a bit hard, you could add a little water, a tablespoon of water to loosen it up, which I'll be doing here. So our white buttercream is ready for frosting. You use this to ice your cake, your cupcake, or your celebration cake. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next one.